Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to Wes's Side Story. Try to bring you guys some cool videos. I'm almost 1,000 subscribers now. I want to thank everybody so much for that. Excuse me. Today I got a video. I'm gonna do another chicken waterer. This particular one has frozen and busted, so we'll check that out. What's up with that? And we'll get a cracking at it. All right, so here is the bucket that cracked. So as we see, the cups right here, they're still good. So I'm literally gonna just unscrew those, and I got a new bucket, some drill bits, and a handy dandy drill back there. We're gonna make a new bucket. One thing that you see is this bucket wouldn't sit flat. So we're gonna correct that this time and let the bucket sit flat. I think that might have been what broke it. I don't know. All right, now we got our cups free. And I believe these cups came from Rent-A-Coop, was the company. Rent-A-Coop chicken waterer cups. You can see where they were on the bucket. I actually made these so tight that I had to screw those out. So probably gonna try to do that again on that bucket. But now that I got my hole size, I'm gonna dig into my drill bits here and see what I can come up with. All right, so now that I found the drill bit size by using the holes in the old bucket, I'm gonna determine how high I need these so the bucket can sit without being interfered by the cup. Probably about like that. See, the cup won't touch the ground, so probably about right there. So we're gonna use right over the Lowe's thing there, and we'll just go all the way. So I'll measure this with a tape measure, and I'll make me some marks, and I'll be right back. All right, I got my marks on here. I got one in the center, one about 4 inches apart. All right, but I measured from the bottom, the rim up, so I know that they're gonna be level. Okay, yeah, that might take a lot of the bucket out of it, but at least your bucket will sit on the floor. So if you want to hang it off something, yeah, you can get a lot more water out of it, but this is how I'm doing it just cause. So yeah, let's get some holes drilled. All right, here we go. Safety first. All right, that's easy. All right, so the holes are drilled. Now we're gonna put the cups in them. All right, perfect. I'm gonna have to screw that in there, but it'll go. Nice. Let me do that and I'll be right back. All right, and with some movie magic, that is there. All right. So now I just take this and put it on the back side. I had to really screw that in there. And I do apologize about not knowing what size drill bit that is, but I believe the box when you get the cups will tell you that. So sorry about that, but I'm just gonna reach in here and screw this thing on. All right, and finger tight, good. All right. And now I'll just put the other two in. All right. So there we go. All 3 cups are in there. They look level. Nice and level. All right. Luckily, I have a water source right here. So let's see. Takes it a minute. Huh. I don't know why this one takes so long. Oh, shoot. Kind of scared me. There we go. Alright, and that's enough water. Alright, let's check it out. The cups are filling up. And they stop filling up because there's a pressure switch. When enough weight gets in these, it stops the water. So they'll only fill up so far. This one right here might be a little stopped up. Which does sometimes happen. Yeah, works great. Look, no leaks. So, all right. There we go. That's the chicken water I wanted to show you guys. All right. So, chicken water done. Guys, I know my content and stuff is a little sporadic. If you like something, definitely leave me a comment. Tell me what kind of videos you want to see. Hey, who knows? I'm going to do it yourself, or I can do all kinds of stuff. You want to see it? We'll try to make it happen for you. So, all right. That's been another episode of Wes's Side Story, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Works great.